guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'll show you the easiest way how you could safely and securely install WhatsApp application on your Windows computer. So if you have Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or Windows 11, then this video is for you. First of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet and then go to your search tab in your computer and type Windows Store. Locate Microsoft Store application, click on it to open, and wait a few seconds or up to 1 minute until it's completely loaded. Once the application has loaded, go to the left panel and click on Apps. It's the second option on the left. Now we're going to go back to the search tab and we will type WhatsApp. Hit enter and wait until it's totally loaded again. Now we're going to locate the WhatsApp which we want. Here we have WhatsApp and it says for Meta is 100% free messaging app. It's used by over 2 billion, blah, blah, blah. Just go to get and click on it. It will start the automatic download and the automatic install for you. So far, you will not have to do anything until it's completely finished. Once the download and the install has been completed, you will see open button has appeared. Click on it to open WhatsApp and the session of WhatsApp should load and you will be prompted to enter your details, phone number, etc. As you can see, the application has loaded, so we'll click Get Started. And here you will be loaded with a QR code. All what you need to do, you go to your mobile phone, you open your WhatsApp, you click on the three dots on the right, you click on Settings in your mobile phone. Next to your WhatsApp profile picture in your phone, click on the application for the QR code and select Scan Code. And this way you will be able to load. So I will do it while Settings, QR code, scan a code. So you use your WhatsApp mobile to scan the QR code in your computer, and this way you will be loaded for your messages. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just write us a comment or send us an email and we will help you. If you'd like to encourage us, you can always click like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.